Hello students, today we will begin with chapter number 8 in science, that is water and its form. So these are the things that we will study in this chapter. Where do we find water? What are the different forms in which water exists? Only 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. That means it has water, but only 1% of the water is fit for drinking. So now we will know about the different sources of water. Sources of water, that means from where we get water on earth. The first is rain. First source of water is rain. So rain is the main source of water, and rain water is also the cleanest and the most pure form of water. When the rain water falls, it mixes with the dust and the gases that are present in the air, and then this rain water flows into the river, lakes, ponds, and then this river flows into the sea, and the sea mixes with the ocean. So most of the water on the earth is found in oceans and seas, but we cannot use it as the water present in the ocean or sea is salty. Here you can see rain water goes into rivers, then the river water flows into seas and oceans. Second source of water is groundwater. Groundwater means the water that is present underneath the soil. So the rainwater seeps down to from the top layer of the soil and rocks. Then it is collected on the bed of hard rocks under the ground. The part of underground water is then used by plants, and rest is drawn out through the wells, hand pumps and tube wells. फिर lakes are formed when this underground water comes up to the surface. जब ये underground water surface पे आ जाता है तो lakes बन जाते हैं, ponds बन जाते हैं. Many oases in the deserts are formed due to the underground water sources. What are oases? An area in the desert where there is water and plants grow. ऐसी जगह डेजर्ट एरिया में जहाँ पर पानी हो और पेड़ पौधे उगते हों, that is known as oasis. So the upper limit of underground water is called a water table.